So, let's talk about how to get more views to your small YouTube channel in 2019. I'm going to give you a 5-point strategy that will make it so you can turn those 10 views into 100 views and more just by following these 5 tips. Now keep in mind, I want you to pay attention till the end of the video, in which I'm going to give you the 5th and what I feel is one of the most important tips to building immediate traffic to your YouTube channel. So on with the video. Well, having a small YouTube channel is a serious struggle. Every day is waking up, looking at your channel, and seeing if you got 5 more views to 100 different videos that you've published. The idea is that the YouTube algorithm is designed to make it very hard for you to rank as a small YouTuber. So I want you guys to realize it's not your fault that you're not getting views. The reason you're not getting views is because the YouTube algorithm is not recommending your videos. It's not pushing them out in the subscription feed. It's not notifying subscribers. And basically what I want to get across is that you need to have views to get more views. So what I'm going to give you are 5 ways that you can get more views to your YouTube videos as a small YouTube channel. So number 1 is to develop a driven content strategy. What this is you create a series of videos over a particular topic. So say you have a gaming channel, you pick a Minecraft mod pack, you do a Let's Play from 1 to 99 episodes of a certain, mod pack. You create a series of videos about how you cured your insomnia while you worked for Walmart. What you do is you create a content strategy instead of just waking up, making a video about anything under the sun, and then rolling the dice and being surprised when it doesn't work, that your channel with makeup videos and vlogs and compilations just fizzles out and doesn't make any progress. If you guys need some help in creating that content strategy, which even if you don't think you do, I recommend that you take a look at the video on the card above to my mini-series about how you should start your YouTube channel to gain more views. Tip number 2 is to aim for low competition keywords. Low competition keywords are keywords that don't have videos with a bunch of clout that you basically can't compete with. When I say aim for low competition keywords, it's because even if that keyword only produces 5 views a day, 100 views a month, something like that, you're still far better off than creating videos that aim for keywords to get 500,000 searches a month that have 500,000 videos with 500,000 views each that you really can't compete with. The only way you would be able to compete with those is through recommended feeds, subs, things that you don't have, or ads, which are things that you probably don't want to pay for yet until you have a viable business model for your YouTube channel. So to that end, I want to recommend the video I did on TubeBuddy and how you can use it for free to get a bunch of views to your channel by using a certain 7-step strategy that has been proven to work. Check it out in the card above, and please, if you watch it, put the steps into action and commit to them. Don't stop until you see success. Tip number 3 is to aim for positive interactions. Positive interactions are what I coin as an umbrella term for comments, likes, subscribes, views with more watched of your video than not. So more than 50% of your video watched. The reason these are incredibly important is because you are a small YouTube channel. If you make great content that hits every one of these points, your videos will be suggested more often than people who create low quality content that is basically crap that will push people either away from YouTube or to another platform that YouTube doesn't want to recommend because it doesn't find valuable to keeping people on YouTube. You have to understand that YouTube is a platform with an algorithm that is designed to keep people watching. They want to keep people mindlessly watching, coming back to YouTube, coming back to channels, all that good stuff. So they're going to push content that is good or well received is a better term for it. So aim for those positive interactions. Take a look at the video on the card above where I cover several methods you can use. I think it was 13 that you can use to get traffic to your YouTube channel, in which one of those is to comment on another person's videos. I know it sounds crazy, but by commenting on other people's videos, you drive traffic to your videos and you drive positive interactions. So step number 4 is to make videos about trending topics. The best way to find trending topics is really straightforward. Use the news. Use Google Trends, which is a little thing that basically covers trending topics. Use the YouTube trending page. Use other YouTubers. You know, if people are making a bunch of videos about how to get views in 2019, that's probably a trending topic. As long as you stay mentally agile and you create videos about those trends, you can bank on that influx of searches that maybe don't have so many established videos, maybe have less competitor videos. Maybe you can bring a unique spin that will drive a certain white space of audience members that other videos aren't realizing to your videos and your channel. The idea is to make bank on those trends so you can get more views to your videos as a small YouTube channel. Keep in mind, 10 to 20 views is probably enough to get 1 sub at least. So I want to thank you guys for staying tuned to this video until this last step, because I feel that it is the most important step, you know, besides having positive interactions and developing a content strategy. And that step is really simple and roundabout, but what I want you to do is I want you to go down to the comment section, leave a comment about what your channel is about. So if you make Fortnite videos, say you make Fortnite videos, say you play with games with friends, say you do Minecraft Let's Plays, say you develop videos about how to make money online, it doesn't matter. I want you to go down to the comment section, comment with a comment about what your channel is about and why people should watch it. And then I want you to find somebody else's comment who already commented. I want you to go to their channel and watch a video. Simple as that. Then I want you to leave them a comment. What you're doing in this strategy is you are creating social interactions that, you know, drive people from one person's video to your videos, or drive people from your videos to another person's videos. And the idea is that you're adding value by giving that positive interaction that small YouTubers don't have, that will help push videos in the suggested, will help push videos to the homepage, will help push videos and give everybody participating in this step a little boost above the rest. So that has been my 5 steps on how you can create serious view traffic to your videos in 2019 as a small YouTube channel or YouTuber. If you guys want to learn how to get more views to your channel, comment below, you know, with some strategies or what you think of this video, whatever, doesn't matter. Just comment below, subscribe if you like the content on this channel so I can know to keep publishing more, and hit the little bell icon so you can slam it and make it ring and let you know when I release another cool video like this one. So that's all, guys. Peace out. This has been Aaron with Retail to Riches. Stay tuned to the end of the video for my personal recommendation on the next video you should watch that will help grow your YouTube channel or help you get started with monetizing your YouTube channel to make some money.